Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install the Google Meet app in your PC or laptop here. So first of all, you just need to go to your Google Chrome browser. After opening the Google Chrome browser, just need to click on this Google Apps box icon here, as you can see. And here you will find the Google Meet app here. So you just need to open this Google Meet app. And basically there is no Google Meet app to download or install in your PC, but you can use it as an app in your desktop here. So to do that, you just need to click on this right corner of the three-dot menu, and here you will find the option called Save and Share. Click on this Create Shortcut option, and here you need to checkmark this Open as Window, and then click Create. And if I go to my desktop, it will open as a Google Meet app here. So as you can see, if I close this, you can see there's a Google Meet app here. So if I just double click on this, and it will open a Google Meet like an app here. So that's it guys, this is how you can download and install the Google Meet. So you don't have to go to the Google Chrome or log in your Google account every time. You can just create this shortcut and use it as an app here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.